Yo gang, what's happening? Welcome to another Beezy trade video, and today of course we're going to be live trading as usual with a little twist. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new cryptocurrency OTC added on pocket option. It's not very new. I made a video about a couple of months ago when they had only a handful, I think about Bitcoin and Ethereum, but now that catalog is increased, we've got Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, Dogecoin, a bunch of coins are available there, and we want to go and see if our strategy that we've been using all this time can be profitable on there as well. So before we jump right in the video, you know I gotta plug myself, so don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification button so you know when a new live trading video drops. So gang, let's jump right into the chart. As I said, today we're going to be doing all the OTC cryptocurrencies. We've seen Ethereum right here, Dogecoin. Might as well had better Cardano, Avalanche, and Bitcoin. Remove. Okay, we're Ethereum because 54%. We're not risking all of our money on that. So you know, as usual, I had my moving average. Switched that up to 200 EMA. And discuss this later. And finally, I'm gonna add just the default zigzag just to see the trend a little bit quicker. So right here, just looking at the market, we can see that this is the latest highest point. We've seen the market pull down, and you can see the point where it changes course right here. So right now we're in an upward trend. Everything says it's in an upward trend. We can see the price being pushed down here as well. So I think we're just gonna continue to follow into an upward trend. We could have entered a little bit later, but I think that we're still good on entering into an upward trend here. So right here on Ethereum, even though it's the 54%, I think that we'll still be able to take profit on this because we can see a good upward trend. You don't want to miss out when you see a very, very good trend like that. You don't want to miss out on something like that, despite the fact that another good situation, we're seeing the market started to turn after it just passed the highest point here. So right here, look for a green point to enter. Anywhere here will be good. You can see the price being pushed up, and we'll find our entry point right there. Even better entry point right here, upwards. I might even enter there a little bit more, double on it just because of how good that entry point is. It's definitely a must take in that point. So our first trade looks like it's gonna, oh, we went out of the money on this trade? Oh my God, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Finally in the money, and we make some profit on that. So this other trade is looking pretty good. We've entered into 2 trades right here. Sellers are trying to push the price up, but I think just generally we're in a safe enough spot that I think even if there is a huge push, we'll still be able to take profit on there rather quickly. So as you can see, the situation here is pretty good. We're able to find 2 different pairs where we saw very, very great situations, and we're able to enter and take profit on one, as well as take profit twice because we saw the market just showing us a little bit of a false signal. So we're able to enter, take advantage of that, and before this candle ends. So as you can see, we're able to make on Dogecoin, but I think the market will continue to go downwards. So definitely, I might even enter into another put. Despite the fact that I see that the market is very bullish, but I just don't want to go against the trend. But it's a very bullish candle. Sellers are pretty much struggling to push that price down. As you know, do never, ever, ever fuck with the trend. If you see the trend moving in a direction, believe in the trend, because the trend will kill you. Candle is very bullish though. I doubt that in 20 seconds we're gonna have that push all the way down. I still see the buyers trying to push that price up. The sellers are fighting against them. I think we might get another chance if we enter somewhere above here. So we lost 2,000 on that trade, but we're really in good hands, in my opinion. Except if we see astronomical where the market completely switches off here, which might be a repetition of something that happened in the market right here. But we weren't able to see through it, and we thought that the market would continue to go downwards, and we just lost 4K. So you guys can see what my trades have been. Today, 3 trades have been all positive. We've lost 1 trade, and it looks like we might lose this trade as well. Trying to follow that trend upwards. But I think that the market's really switched up on us completely. Really thought that the market would continue to follow in that direction. But you can see the sellers really pushing that price down. You can see how long that wick is. But I think definitely we've been bamboozled on this one for sure. So we're down 2 trades, we're down 4K. Our profit is around that same amount. So we're about even or a little bit in profit. So right here is 1 or 2 things. We can try to follow this trend all the way upwards. But we can see the sellers really pushing that price down. You can see how the last candle ended, but we can see a very bullish candle standing here as well. So I think I'm just gonna step away because of how risky that looks. So we're gonna put support right here because it's blown all the way past here. So we're gonna try to follow that trend. Very strong candles before, which really gives me an idea that the market is really solid. So we're gonna enter into a put. As well, we can see that our candles are way below our 200 EMA with our zigzag also showing downwards, but mostly importantly, looking at the candles, looking at the strengths, looking how they're pulling all the way down, allows us to know that we're really in good hands and we might be able to take profit on this. So with 30 seconds left, you can see the buyers pulling up, creeping up closer to our entry point. A little bit out of the money, in the money. But I think I felt like we could even double up when we saw the market pull all the way up. With 10 seconds left, come on, sellers, push that price down. I've got about 7. Last second. Whoa. All right. I don't really believe this is a change. So I'm gonna double up on a put right here. Despite I see a very bullish candle starting, I don't think that a reversal will happen so quickly in the market, except if it's to change at this point, which I truly do not see happening. So we are lost 3, about 6 grand in a hole. So we're 3 for 3 on this trading session. But I think we're definitely going to take profit on this right here while staying on the same currency pair. And now a little bit of life has been given to us and we feel good. And we can definitely feel good with taking profits on this. So as you can see here, nice little situation. We're able to take 4K. We take about, very good profits in my opinion, about 1840 on each of them. And despite the fact that we made that same trade before, we're able to go 5 good trades and we lost here. But I think we recouped and make a little bit of profit. Not what you want to see, but I think it's a great little experiment trying with the new Bitcoin cryptocurrency OTC that Pocket Option has added for a while. I think I did a video about doing Bitcoin OTC, but I wanted to try other because they added a lot more. Because if you were to go here, you can see they have a huge list of cryptocurrency right now that you could trade on. So definitely, if you're looking for a nice way for you to find entry points and make good trades, definitely try it out if you're willing to risk the OTC, because we know what everyone says about the OTC, but today we're in the money, in profit. And so it's been a great little cryptocurrency trade. So thank you guys for joining me for another quick little entry into the market and looking at my live trade, so you guys can also see how real traders do it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and hit that notification button, because I think you'll be forgetting all the time. So I want to know when a new video comes out, because so many things are in the works, so many bomb-ass videos are in the works, so many explained videos are in the works, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. Also, don't forget to follow the Telegram channel for free signals every single day. And also, I've got a VIP that's absolutely free. All you gotta do is hit me up. Links are in the description. It's been your boy Beezy, and I'm out.